because one thing about it, customers do not like, especially women, do not like squeals. They can't stand them. They cannot stand squeals. So I like how this is designed here. Now, see this? You see this clamp here I'm putting on here? It give me 4 of them, so that means I have to put them on here, and it works as a shim and a indicator to let you know when your brakes are low. So when your pads get low, this is supposed to be up far enough, but it's, when I put it in there, it's gonna go up far enough so when they get too low, it's gonna touch that right here and it's gonna squeal. That's your warning. A lot of people, when you want that quick brake job, you want to pay somebody $35 just about pop them on. They don't put this on here. This is why you never hear your car squeal. Why? Because they didn't put this on here. And you see why? Because they are sometimes they are very difficult to get in here because they take up space. But it's a tight fit. Another thing, whenever you buy parts that's aftermarket part, see, look how that fits in there nice and tight. That they're gonna fit. They're not gonna fit perfect whenever you buy aftermarket part, but they do have some good aftermarket part out here. Now, what you want to do? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little. What I got here? I got my ultra brake part lubrication. And what happens is when you drive and you hit your brakes, the pads, they vibrate. I mean, real quick. I mean, it's just, and if it vibrate, if you got metal and metal vibrating together, what you go get? You go get a squealing noise, right? So what you do, you put a little thin layer of some type of lubricant like this here, and when you put grease up in here, you ain't gonna hear no scratching. But here's the thing. You wonder why dogs chase your car and attack the tires? Because even though we can't hear it, they can still hear the squeals, and it hurts their ears. And this is why they run to your car, and that's to try to be biting on you. That's why they run to you. You wonder why they run under the car. They're trying to bite the tire because they hear the squeals. Now, you don't want to put too much of this on here, because you put too much on here, it's going to leak down, get in the pads, and that will cause heat spots, and that will cause squeals. So you don't want to get too much of this on there. You know, just put a nice thin layer on there. I'm saying this will be fun trying to get it in the back.